Hello students, I Professor Sharma welcome you to the next lectures of issue of debentures. Today I will tell you the issue of debentures treatment at par, at discount and at premium. Now you may see the issue of debentures. The procedure for issue of debentures generally remains same as you know in the issue of shares chapter. Debentures can be issued at par, at premium, or at discount. The same systems are there, but generally we have divided the shares into the for cash or for other than cash considerations at the method par, premium, and discount. It means the same is applied to the debentures. But the last is debentures can be issued other than the cash like collateral security. Collateral security, that means as a security they can also be issued. So I am moving to now the examples. Debenture issued at par. Now you may see here the ABC Limited issues 10,000, 12% is the rate of debentures. Here at level first, you don't have any requirement of the 12%. It may this is only listed when the interest knowledge will be given, then this 12% will get the weightage. Here the number of debentures and the face value is 100. Divided into the 30 rupees will be called at the time of applications. Remaining is referring to the 30 minus out of 100, 70. 70 at the time of allotment which you have to calculate. Now the public applied for 9,000. So it means issued 10,000 but applied for 9,000 means the question is of under subscription. So when the question is the under subscription, it means the whole accounting treatment will go according to the under subscribed number of share. Here 9,000 debentures are there. So all the informations are here. You have to pass the journal entry according to the issued at par. When the question is referring to issued at par, it means we have to pass the entries according to 100 rupees. Issued price 100 and receiving price 100. So now first entry is the bank account debit. So the 12% you have to write down with the every word where you are listing the debentures to reflect the rate. 12% debentures application. So what is the change here related with the earlier you were doing for the shares bank account debits to share application. In place of the share application you have to list now the 12% debentures application. And now this application received 9,000 multiplied by the at the rate of 30. It means the amount is 2,70,000 and now this amount is transferred to the security name is debentures account. It means 12% debenture account. So this application money is to be transferred to the 12% debentures account. So entry is 12% debenture applications account debit with the same amount which is already credited in the first, and to 12% debentures account with the same value 30 rupees face value will be shifted here. The next is the 12% debentures allotment is 6,30,000 is here. How will you calculate the 90,000 multiplied by 70? It means this is the due amounts now, allotment due. So in allotment debit means the debentures allotment is debit with the 70. So 70 is going to transfer to the 12% as a face value. So that's why it is to be called as the par value, because the debentures value is referring to issued value equivalent to the receiving value. 6,30,000 and the whole amount is received. Bank account debits to 12% debentures with the same amount is to be received. If the call in is arrear is there, you have to place along with the bank. Now the same matter is related with the issue of debentures at discount. Here the question is the 10,000 12% debentures, 100 each the face value, issued at 5% discount. When the 5% is listed here, you have to apply the 5% on the face value 100. It means this is referring to rupees 5. So every time you have to apply this on the face value. Now it means the face value is 100, receiving amount is now 95 after discount. So the application money is referring 40. The rest amount is for 55 is receiving at the time of allotment, means the 95 is receiving. But when you are entertaining the debentures, you have to entertain with the face value 100. It means with the application the debentures amount will remain with the 40, and with the allotment it will remain with the including discount 60. So now you may see the item. How will you get? First entry will be passed, bank account debits to the 12%, debentures applications account 10,000 multiplied by the 40 as usual mentioned in the question. And now the 12% applications again transfer to the 12% debentures with the amount of 40, that is multiply by 10,000 4 lakh. But now I am moving to the main entries discount. So that means the 12% debentures allotment with the 55, discount with the 5, and the 12% debentures account with the 60. You have to write down the all the figures here first and multiply it by the 10,000. So it means the all the results will come. Now you may see the debentures allotment debit with the 55. It means receiving amount is 55. So that's why the last entry will be passed, bank account debits to the debentures allotment with the same value 55. So it means this is the scheme now which you have to opt. Now I am moving to the debenture issued at premium. Now the 2000 debentures at the value of 100 each issued at 10 rupees premium. Here the word is automatically refers the 10 rupees. So there is no need to calculate the value. So now I am moving to the allocation is 50 on the application and the 60 on the allotment. So the total amount is leading to the more than face value 100. So it means the 10 is referring to premium. So at the time of allotment, the face value allocate, face value is 50 and plus 10 is of premium. Now I am moving to the entries now. The bank account debits to the 10% debentures applications account will be multiplied by the 2000 multiplied by the 50. So the answer is same. Now move to the next entry will be the same with the amount of 50. Debentures applications to the 10% debentures account 2000 multiplied by the 50, that means transfer to the debentures account. Now you go to the major aspect of the premium now. The 10% debentures allotment refers now here 60. You have to multiply 2000 multiplied by the 60. But the face value is 50. So that's why the debenture is to be listed with the 50. So 2000 multiplied by the 50. Then answer is 1 lakh. Then the security premium is also referred with the rupees 10. 10 multiplied by 2000. So the security premium is 20,000. Now you may see the debit amount of the transactions number third, entry number third, debentures allotment with the 60. It means the due with allotment with premium. So that means the same amount is credited first, then receive. It means the 60 rupees will be received multiplied by the 2000. So this is the scheme now which you have to opt. One thing I also want to say to you, if the premium amount 10 is attached with the first applications time, so you have to pass the entry first. I'm moving to the first. If it is received at the time of application, bank account debit to the debentures application 2000 multiplied by the 60. First entry you don't have to show the premium, but the second entry when you are passing 60, then transfer 50 to the debentures and 10 to the security premium. So this is the scheme now which you may use during your process of debenture issue. Thank you.